Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by mapping the class 11 syllabus into core pillars: atomic structure, chemical bonding, stoichiometry, thermodynamics, and basic organic chemistry. Learn units first. 1 mol equals the molar mass in grams and contains 6.022 times 1023 particles. Concentration is expressed as mol L1 and temperature in Kelvin. Master common conversions: grams to moles using molar mass, Celsius to Kelvin by adding 273. 15. Prioritize lab safety every session: goggles, gloves, fume hood for volatile reagents, and neat notebook records for observations. Focus on balancing equations and converting mass to moles to solve stoichiometry problems. For a clear example, 2H2 plus O2, right arrow 2H2O, 4GH2 is 2 mol 2G mol 1, 32GO2 is 1 mol 32G mol 1, so the reaction gives 2 mol H2O or 36G product, 18G mol 1. Practice finding the limiting reagent, computing theoretical yield, and calculating percent yield to compare experiment with theory. Use mole ratios directly from balanced equations, and always carry units through calculations for error checking. Design a weekly study plan that mixes theory, problem solving, and lab practice. Allocate about 70% time to solving numerical problems and 30% to reading theory and notes. Use focused 50-minute study blocks followed by 10-minute breaks, and schedule a full-length test each week to simulate exam timing. In lab sessions, practice titrations using 0.100 mol L1 Na OH standardized against a known acid and phenolphthalein as indicator, until you consistently reach a clear endpoint. Keep a lab diary with volumes, concentrations,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.